The workflow that I used to have was my client would say, "Hey, I want this thing." And I go, "Oh, great!" And I'd make a GitHub issue because otherwise I'll forget it. And then I would not work on it until they said, "Yeah, we are ready to work on that." And then I would go and I'd say, "Crud, I have an issue." And so I'd make some commits and I'd put refs 63 or whatever in GitHub so that it would link them to those. But it just felt dirty because there's already this thing they have for grouping commits together, and it's called a pull request. So then what we did was like, well, we're just not going to use the issue. We'll close the issue. We'll make a new pull request. But we were running out of issue numbers because they're the same thing. We were really running out of issue numbers. But we said there's got to be a better way to do this. And so there's no web UI in GitHub to take an issue and turn it into a pull request. But there's an API call to do it. And so we wrote this little script to do it. So here I'm going to, in my website repository, I'm going to create a new issue, and it's going to be add a script to create pull requests from issues. This is, I'm going to add this as a something to be done, and it's issue number 23. And then over in my repository, I'm going to have some code. And in that code, I've got this issue. So the first thing I would do is say, hey, I'm ready to work on this. I would create an issue, and it was, what number? I already forgot, 23. So I like to name my branches with the issue, soon to be pull request number. And I already added the file. It's this make pr from issue.rb. And then I'll push it. So you have to have a pushed branch in order to make a pull request. If you don't have that, it'll tell you, sorry, there weren't any changes between master and your branch, so I don't know what to do. Then I will run the script. Let's make it a little bigger for you. Can everyone see that? Bigger. 23, what branch? You put the name of the branch that you're starting from and the name of the branch that you want to pull from. You enter your top secret GitHub password. Don't take that. And it runs curl to the API, and it spits out all this stuff about the response. So if you wanted to parse that and do something, but really pretty much the only one I ever use is under HTML. It gives the list. You can just open that up. And so now my issue is now a pull request. And I can see the commits and the files that were changed on it. So this is on the website, databasically.com. How to do it, you can grab the code. It's got things you fill out, and then you can run it.